On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you rush through life? Hi, my name is Jeff Raker. Welcome to the question for today. When you rush through your communication with your people, they don't catch everything. When you rush through your expectations, you miss things that are really important. When you rush through an evaluation, when you rush through, what is it for you? I am finding that the more I control the rush in me, the better leader I am, the better coach I am. I don't have to rush through a session. I'm tempted to, got things to do, but stick with it. Be present. And that's the negative side of it. When I rush, I'm not present. I've done a question before about, are you always on to the next thing? This is rushing. And I want you to pause. I want you to stop. I want you to take a step back. I want you to be present. There are plenty of things to do, and a lot of them are just going to be there. We've talked before about the image of juggling, and there are some balls that will bounce and there's some balls that will break. What's the difference for you? Do you know the ones that'll bounce and you can, hey, that's going to bounce, I can be present here. But there's some that you can't wait on. Know the difference. But if life is always about rushing, I want to challenge you to stop and pause sometimes. Just stop and pause at random times. When you're walking into a building, hold the door for the people coming behind you. Just pause. Train yourself. In the moment, we can get overwhelmed. Emotion may drive us. Leaders are in charge of themselves. What do you need to do to calm down the rush? And maybe you said your rush is a 10 or an 11 out of 10. How do you calm it down to a 7? You're never going to get rid of it completely. There are some times we need to rush an order. But most of the time, we don't have to. Level up your leadership with this question for today.